Hi guys, welcome to this video about how to save money on some freezing sprays. Today I was looking for a freezer for skin moles, tags, warts for a family member, and I went on Amazon and just entered some of the keywords and I found this. And usually you would go here and see, okay, what's the medical things. I mean, I know some of these sprays are more technical sprays, so here you have some medical thing. Here of course you have medical devices, here as well. But what you find is either they are big bottles for a lot of money or small bottles, I mean cans, for even quite some money. I mean, this thing is really small, it's only for 8 treatments and it's $9, so you run out of this spray thing pretty fast, and you have to order really fast. Sometimes you have to do a couple of applications. If you have more than one mole, maybe you have to order a couple of them. So what to do? It looks like it's pretty pricey. When you go down a little bit more, hold on a second, you will find even the professional ones which dermatologists use, but I mean it's $450, and it's a heavy price. So I think 90% of the people will end up with paying a lot of money for these small things like here, and the Dr. Scholl's, or the this one here, something like that. And I was just a little bit curious, and I just clicked on one of these things, which I guess 90% of the people will think these are just like technical cold sprays. I mean, some of these you use for electronic parts to clean or to find errors or whatsoever. And I clicked on that, and what I found was really interesting. I mean, here we have the description, and it says, okay, it goes down to 50 degrees Celsius, which is I think 60 or 65 Fahrenheit, which is pretty much standard also for skin treatment. Here we have the details, as you can see, and it says, hold on a second, technical description of product features. It says used for location thermal intermittence, locate PCB cracks and cool solder joints. Exactly what I was expecting. But when you go further down into the feedback or reviews, you find something really interesting, that nobody actually used it for that purpose, but I think 99% of the people used it for skin moles, and they seem to have a lot of success. You see almost only 4 and 5 star reviews from people who use that on the skin, even face. Of course, a face you have to be really careful, it's really cold, you can do damage. Some people said that they used it on a Q-tip and then put it on something on the face, but in general, I mean, you only see reviews from people who use that on their skin. It's pretty interesting. Here's the first one, who used it on electronics. But it looks like you can save a lot of money with that. I mean, it's a lot of stuff in there. I mean, it's 235 grams, which is 8 point something ounces, if I'm not wrong. So that's a lot compared to these small bottles. And it even comes with this really good I don't know how to call that, straw or something like that, where you really can go close to the point. I mean, I guess that's really useful for something like that. And yeah, I mean the reviews are good, price is good, the amount is good, so no doubt about that. You can save a lot of money, and especially compared to a doctor. I mean, it's not any kind of professional professional medical advice. I mean, usually it's always recommended to go to a doctor, skin doctor, dermatologist, whatsoever, if you have something. But I mean, if you have every now and then such things, and you spend every year a couple of $100s or even thousands of dollars on something which you know that it's not dangerous, I mean, you can save a lot of money. I mean, if you are in doubt, it's always good to have a check from your dermatologist. But if it's really only something which you are sure it's not dangerous, yeah, I mean, it's up to you, it's your decision. I just wanted to share this with you to give you something like an input to consider if you want to, or if you have to use that. Yeah, and I will put down the link to this great cheap spray into the description, so you can order it right from there and you don't have to look it up on Amazon. So that's it for now. I mean, I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments or better solution or whatsoever, just write to the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.